Hi guys! Welcome back! Today, let's learn how to control your PC from anywhere using your phone using Chrome Remote Desktop. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Click on the first link. You'll arrive at the Remote Desktop page, where you'll see two options: Access My Computer and Share My Screen. Click on Access My Computer. Now sign in with your Google account. Under the Set up Remote Access section, click on the download icon below. A new Chrome window will open showing the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click Add to Chrome. The extension will be added to your browser, and the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, click on Accept and Install. Now open your Downloads folder and install Chrome Remote Desktop. After installation, choose a name for your PC. Next, create a secure PIN that you'll use to connect remotely. And that's it for the PC setup. Now let's move over to your Android phone. Open the Play Store. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop and install it. Once installed, open the app and sign in using the same Google account you used on your PC. After signing in, you should see your computer name listed under Remote Devices. Tap on it. Enter the PIN you created earlier. And just like that, your PC screen should appear on your phone. You can now control your computer directly from your Android device from anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.